Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to talk about this thing that I've been seeing, for a while now, and I think it shouldn't be there, really. It has a simple fix, and it was complicated like a year ago or like 2 years ago to do it, and it cost money, or 5 years ago, it was like way more expensive, and you needed like thousands of dollars to fix it, but for now, it's literally like free, and you can do it in minutes. So if I go and I search for cleaning service in Las Vegas, right? Here's what's gonna happen. So we're gonna find all these photos of cleaning companies, like including like Molly Maid. Molly Maid is like a gigantic, big company in the space. And you're gonna find like some small businesses here, right? The problem with that is I'm highlighting flipping cleaner here, which is no pun intended, by the way. We're just showing you guys here as a demonstration. But if you see, therefore, right here, right, and I go and I reverse search that photo, it's literally like used by all those other businesses. Like it's on eBay even, and this company is like in Saudi Arabia. They're using the same kind of stock, and this the group partner are using it, and I can go on and on and on and on of other companies using the same photo, and I don't think that's good branding. If anything, I mean, you really don't want to like be if your goal is to have like a company that goes and make multi-millions and everyone knows it and basically like a big brand, you can't go with business like this, right? That's not the way to brand and market yourself. And using cleaners like free stock that doesn't even align with your colors is really not the best thing you can do. However, as I said, I want to do this as like a demonstration to show you guys some other ways of doing it, and then you're absolutely free to do it or not do it. But I just wanted to give you the information. Basically, this is their website. And as I said, no pun intended, I just want to do this as a demo to other cleaners and other cleaning companies. So if I take the logo and I go to Photoshop, right? And by the way, before I go there, all I did was go like I don't know if you heard about this, but like Alibaba new AI, the Quinn AI, literally allowed you to generate image and videos totally for free. Like things like this a year ago, like in this seal for some platforms or AI models, they cost money to do it. And sometimes it costs a lot of money because you have to do all these variations. But now it's absolutely good, it's accurate, and it's free. So I don't see a reason not to do it. If you are okay with using free stock photos, you should be okay with using branded stock photo AI photos, right? And mix it with some real photos of your team. Then you're gonna look credible. You're gonna build some trust, and you're gonna look like a brand. And you're gonna use your actual colors. You can use like this a simple prompt like this. For example, smiling cleaner, white t-shirt, blue gloves, and you can use whatever color that you have for your t-shirts in your brand. And I just came up with stuff like this, which are absolutely good. Like all the photos that I got are actually good. And as I said, like doing this for a couple of years with AI, or like since AI like has started in trying the photo generation, it was expensive and it was really bad. But now it's actually accurate and it's free. Now you do this, you get a photo, and you go to Photoshop, which is like this is like a web version of Photoshop. You put the photo. I took the logo from their website. I go here, boom. I put the logo, multiply. Now let me do actually some basic Photoshop real quick, guys. Right, let me boom, boom, a little bit less. Let's make it a smart object. Let's hide it. Let's go here. Let's do filter, displays, and it should be based on this one. And let's edit it a little bit. Boom. And I just save it and I go like this. And it is multiply. And let me zoom out. Now, if I take this, I promise you, if you go to the website and you change this photo on the background to this, or any photo, and you use this photo, it's gonna help with the conversion. You're gonna look like a high quality company, and it's overall just good. right? And that's actually what we did here. I mean, we took like this is like an AI photo. We slapped the logo on it, and we mixed it with some real photos of the team, and the quality of the website looked really good. And the clients loved it, the client loved it, and the partners loved it. So it's actually a proven way to look like a really $1 million company for free, which is insane. Like you don't have to hire a filmmaker or like a photographer and spend hours, like 8 hours of your team doing stuff and posing and getting on, or even like hiring models. Like you don't even have to do that anymore. Like look at this. So yeah, hopefully guys, you found this interesting and valuable. Again, I just want to show this to people who actually care about branding and marketing, on they have a vision with the company. I thought this is going to be valuable. A lot of people don't know about this, so I want to give the information. And some people would rather have free stock photos, and that's okay also. So yeah, if you found this valuable, let me know what you know. What do you think in the comments, and give me a subscribe because I drop gems like this here and there. Bye.